Alright guys, so I'm doing a quick recipe here. So I got an onion, I got some carrots, I got some ground chicken. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it seasoned with the, I'm going to saute the onions first, then put the chicken in there, and then put in the vegetables, and then I'll add some herbs to it, and then I'll just have it as that, and then you can put it on top of rice if you want as well. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Right, so I'm sauteing the onions first. I'm gonna put some white pepper, some salt, and then season it, and then put in the ground chicken after when this is done. All right, so all of the stuff is in there. I see it's seasoned. I put some thyme in there, some cilantro. All that stuff is in there. Got some white pepper, onions, and carrots. So we'll let that cook up, and I'll do a taste test at the end. All right, so here it is all done up. There's that piece of ground chicken. Just do a quick taste test. Tastes really good. You get the flavoring of the white pepper in there. You get the hint of the thyme, the dill, and then you got the onions flavoring it. It's really good. And then you get the juice. So that juice on the bottom you can actually put on top of rice and everything else. Actually, it tastes really good. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below and subscribe to the channel.